Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are learning destructuring in JavaScript. Destructuring allows us to extract values from arrays and objects and store them into variables easily. It makes our code cleaner and shorter. Let's start with an array destructuring. Normally, if I want to store these values into variables, I would write like this. This works, but it's repetitive. Now let's see destructuring. Here A gets 10, B gets 20 and C gets 30. JavaScript assigns values based on position. This is called array destructuring. Skipping values. If I don't need the second value, I can skip it using a comma. Very clear and simple as is shown in this example. Default values. If a value doesn't exist, we can set a default value. Here R becomes 50 because the third value is missing. Now let's move to object destructuring. Normally we access like this user.name, user.age. Now let's use destructuring. Here variable names must match the object property names. This is object destructuring. Renaming variables. We can also rename variables while destructuring. As shown in this example, name to username and age to user age. Default values in object. If the property doesn't exist, we can assign a default value. Let's see one real world example. This is array plus object destructuring combined. This pattern is very common when working with APIs. You will see this a lot in React and modern JavaScript. Summary. Array destructuring based on position. Object destructuring based on property names. Can skip values, can rename variables, set default values, and makes code cleaner and shorter. Practice these examples, and in the next video we will continue building more modern JavaScript concepts.